Myself, Shivani Patil. I study in class 9th. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Study Aim. In our today's video, I am going to tell you some fact and information about the state Gujarat. The 6th largest Indian state by area and 9th largest by population, Gujarat is a state known for its rich heritage and culture. It is located on the west coast of India. Gujarat shares its border with Maharashtra and Rajasthan in India and with the Pakistani province of Sindh. Besides being the birth of Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Patel, this land of lions and legends has many other hidden gems. Gujarat was an important part of the Indus Valley civilization, having many ancient metropolitan cities like Lothal and Dholavira. Chandragupta Maurya and then his grandson Ashoka ruled many states of what is now Gujarat between 322 BC and 232 BC. Subsequently, many other powerful rulers, including the Mughal Emperor Akbar, also have reigned in Gujarat. Gujarat is known as one of the safest states in the country. The crime rate in the state is the lowest as compared to any other state, and this is definitely a good assurance for the tourist. Lothal is an ancient city of Indus Valley civilization excavated in Gujarat. It is believed to be one of the world's first seaport. Gujarat has the longest coastline in India, which runs for about 12,015 kilometers. Gujarat has great airway connectivity to the rest of the country with 14 airports. This makes it easily accessible for anyone flying to Gujarat from anywhere in India. Gujarat is home to one of the country's largest dairy producing brands. Started in 1946, Anand serves as a base for Amul. The state is known to consume the highest amount of sugar in the country. That probably explains the long list of mouth-watering sweet dishes that are loved by everyone across the country. Gujarat is completely the land of vegetarians. Most brands with outlets here have completely veg menus. Gujarat is known for its thread work fabrics. Zari industry in Surat and Kathi embroidery in Kutch are some good examples of thread work. Bandhani is also a specialty hailing from Gujarat. Kutch is the largest district in India. It has an area of 45,674 square kilometers. Kutch means something that becomes wet and dry intermittently. Rann of Kutch is a large salt marsh located in the Thar Desert in Gujarat's Kutch district. It is spread over an area of 7,500 square kilometers. It is considered to be one of the largest salt deserts in the world. Gujarat has some of the world's largest entities. The Jamnagar oil refinery, owned by the Reliance Industries, is the biggest oil refinery on the planet. The Alang shipyard in Gujarat is the world's biggest ship breaking yard, recycling almost half of all ships salvaged around the world. Dedicated to the Indian independence movement leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Statue of Unity stands tall at 182 meters. The statue is located on the river island Sadhu Bet in Narmada district, Gujarat. The Gir National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary was set up in 1965 with a total area of 1,412 square kilometers. It is the only area in Asia where Asiatic lions can be found. The last Asiatic lion census in 2015 revealed the lion population to be at 523. Located in the town of Prabhas Patan on the western coast of Gujarat, Somnath temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. From ancient times, the site of Somnath has been a pilgrimage spot and the temple is believed to the first among 12 Jyotirlinga shrines of Shiv in India. There is a 400 years old Dattatreya temple at Kalo Dongar where prasad made of white rice is fed to wild jackals after evening aarti. Dwarkadish temple in Dwarka, Gujarat is assumed to be the abode of Lord Krishna. Gomti river is just 56 steps away from Dwarkadish temple. Legend states that Lord Krishna blessed Gomti to flow at a distance of 56 steps from his residence. Mount Shatrunjay, located in Bhavnagar, is world's only one mountain having more than 900 temples. Lakshmi Vilas Palace, built by Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad III in 1890. The palace is spread over 500 acres of land, reputed to be the largest private residence built in India. It is 4 times bigger than the Buckingham Palace of London. The logo of State Bank of India, the blue circle with a keyhole in the center and a cut at the bottom, was inspired by Kankaria Lake in Ahmedabad. India's first jellyfish lake is located in Ahmedabad, Kutch in Gujarat. It is also world's first lake for species upside down jellyfish. Surat is considered to be the richest city in the country. According to a report, it has left cities like Chennai and Bangalore behind, as it turns out that each household in Surat has an average income of Rs 4,50,000 annually. Surat takes another spot on the list for being a hub for diamond trade. The city refines close to 80% of diamonds from all across the world. The capital of Gujarat, Gandhinagar, is considered to be the greenest capital city in Asia, with almost 50% of its land covered with greenery. Till 1970, Ahmedabad was the capital city of Gujarat. Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, has been ranked first among business schools in India by National Institute Ranking Framework and many other B School ranking surveys. IIM is also among the top 50 premier B schools in the world. If you are new on my channel, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such kind of videos. Thank you for watching the video.